When it comes to making money online using AI, everybody's talking about AI automation business or AI automation agency. It's hot. I know, I get it. But in this video, I'm going to tell you not to do that. Just because over 95% of the times, businesses actually fail who position themselves as an AI agency or AI automation agency. And there is a reason why. I'm going to tell you exactly how you can position yourself. And also, I'm going to reveal some of the things that I'm personally doing right now. And I believe nobody's actually talking about it. So watch until the end of the video, and that way you can get the full picture and you can copy and paste for your own business. But let's talk about why starting AI agency is a wrong idea. Is because when it comes to agency, you have so much things to do. There's too many things to do, like creating LLC, create a website, logo, and your payment type, and as well as your like proposal. And then now you gotta do email marketing, outbound, LinkedIn, sales navigator, blah blah. There are over, I would say, 15 different things that you have to do. And just me talking about it right now, like I just got overwhelmed thinking how many things that I did towards the beginning to get my agency going, get this AI thing going. But if you were to do that as a beginner who didn't get paid just yet, it's more likely that you're going to give up on this. So my suggestion for you is get your first client as soon as possible as an AI freelancer, not as an agency. Agency, you have to have everything set up, right? Like LLC, blah, blah, blah. But as an AI freelancer, as a solopreneur, you can do so many things really fast. And once you get your first client who is actually paying you the money, then you're going to do it, right? I mean, you can tell me AI is your passion. You can tell me you really enjoy working with AI and all that. That's fine. Well, but most people, we use AI to make money. And once we make money, then AI can be our passion after that, right? Typically, that's how it works. At least that's how it worked for me. So I'm going to talk to you as if you and I are similar. So what I mean by that is you need to get your first client fast so you can make money. And that way you can actually work on those little tiny details. Because once you have money, then that's not a big deal. So position yourself as an AI freelancer and then get your first client really fast. Now, you might be thinking, I don't even know how I can get first client. Make sure to watch this video. I talk about how you can get your first client fast using Upwork. And the other thing is just learn one automation, just one platform. Don't learn too much. It's one thing, and then use that to get the first client. And once you get the first client, what you can do, then you can position yourself as a CEO of the AI agency. However, I'm going to talk to you something that pretty much nobody's talking about. When it comes to AI agency, a lot of people talk about you need to learn this platform, do this for your client, blah, blah, blah. But your time is very limited. So let's just say you have about 30 hours a week to work towards a certain project. You can only take up to maximum 3 projects. Then that's the size of your company, which means you can't really scale your business. And I'm here to tell you how you can scale your business. So one of the best way that you can do is become an AI architect. AI architect is basically the middle person in between the engineers who's actually creating the product and then really working on the whole workflow, and also the businesses who's wanted to use AI to solve their problem. So as an AI architect, you see the both perspective. You understand the engineering perspective, but also you are the ones who's figuring out how you can implement AI to different businesses. In that way, when you're talking with these businesses, which is sales call, then you can suggest some of the ways that you can save their time or money. Okay, that's an AI architect. Basically, what you're doing is you're drawing the whole picture for both parties, both engineers and also businesses. And as a middle person right there, who's a CEO, as an architect, you can exactly tell both parties what to do. In that way, you can solve problems. Because oftentimes, engineers don't exactly know what businesses struggle with. They know how to build things with a very specific instructions. And it's your job to give that specific instruction from translating the company's pain points into something that engineers can understand. I hope that makes sense. So again, as a beginner, what you should be doing instead of starting an agency, doing all the extra work and give up, you need to start as fast as possible as an AI freelancer, get the first client, and then position yourself as an AI architect. And that way you can see both parties of engineers and businesses pain points. And then you're the middle person who can draw the whole picture for both parties. I hope this video was helpful. I'm going to share more journey with you when it comes to AI automation business that I run right now. So if you want to watch more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. And I try my best to stay up to date in the AI world. And that way you can also be informed by me. All right, see you in the next video.